Hello, this is Esther Uphamilewicz with Worship Now, Here's How, and this is the intermediate level of how to play Waymaker. In the beginning level, we learned where our triads were, and we learned how to form the second inversion C major chord in order to be able to reach everything a little bit smoother, a little bit faster, because everything is much closer. We also learned where to place our hand if we wanted to play a single bass note on the downbeat of each measure, or that is on every 4 beats, at the beginning of every 4 beats. So now in the intermediate level, we're going to also learn how to make a broken chord, which would sound really nice in the verses. So if we start with our F major chord, and instead of playing everything all together like this, what if we separated the notes of the right hand and went F, A, C? So that's called a broken chord. Sometimes if you do it for an extended amount, it's called an arpeggio, which means harp-like. So if we went like this, F, A, C, then for our C chord, we're taking that second inversion chord for the C, G, C, E, G, B, D, G, B, D for our G major triad, and then A, C, E for our A minor triad. So if we did the verses like that, it would sound something like this. You are here, standing in our midst. We worship you. We worship you. That gives you an idea of how it can sound. Now you can do many different combinations with the broken chords. You can go back to the middle note, something like that, okay? Or you can do it 2 times. That just gives you a few different ideas of how you can use the broken chords. So just keeping all the same notes that you have in your triad or in your inversion, and then separating them. Now, if you wanted to make it just a little bit more complicated, the left hand could play an octave. Okay, so instead of just playing a single F here, we could play 2 Fs together, like that. And then 2 Cs, 2 Gs, 2 As. That's a simple way that you can begin to make your chorded arrangements sound like you are an intermediate or even close to an advanced player instead of just a beginning player. I'm going to show you an example of how you can play and sing the verse and then go to the chorus using this intermediate method. You are here, standing in our midst. We worship you. We worship you. You are here, turning lives around. We worship you. We worship you. I'm going to jump to the chorus. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness, my God, that is who you are. And as soon as you want to go back to the verse, go back to the broken chords. Okay? So this gives you a sample of what you can do with this song, how you can make it sound a little bit more advanced, but at the same time still using the basic principles that we've learned about major and minor triads and a little bit of inversions. And that is the intermediate level of Waymaker. Enjoy, and if you like it, please subscribe. Thanks.